Okay, so you guys saw the before, my messy, not necessarily messy, unorganized clutter. And I told you I've been reading Design Mom, and so one of the things that we did to make the bathroom more kid-friendly was put a towel rack that we built. I just got hooks from Amazon, and we stained the board and put it up here so they can reach that. So that's one thing that we did to make it more kid-friendly. And then, of course, we have a hamper in here for them. It came with a lid. It doesn't have to be there, but I just kept it there for now. And then I organized my little closet here a little bit. So I have kid stuff there. Toilet paper will be going in there. I have room for the towels. I would say probably half of my towels are dirty right now. I have kids, they're messy. Cleaning cloths. And then we keep our sheets for our bed down here as well. And somebody else did this on YouTube with these tags on the baskets. I don't remember who it was, but that was a great idea. And I got the tags at the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry, at the Dollar General. I think it was like $1 or $2 for 8 of them. And now, the big mess where it was. This is all cleaned out. Looking good. This looks like a lot, but we're family of 4. This is pretty much all our stuff because we don't have really any other storage in the house for like bathroom and medicine. So, first aid kit. This is back stock. If you watch the home edit, you know what I mean. All the extras: soap, shampoo, body wash, extra deodorant, Q-tips, all that good stuff right there. And then I have here like the shaving things, GI and heartburn medicines in the back. My husband's stuff right here. And then oral care is mostly this shelf, and it was packed, so like look at it. And then my shaving cream's there because it's too tall for the other cabinet where I wanted to put it. And then down here, well, you know, the lady stuff. And then this will be the extra toilet paper and stuff, or anything else we need to store. But for right now it's empty, but I need to fill it up. And then this is all cleaned out, nice and neat. Cleaning stuff, foot care. And then my kids, I was so happy about this. I got all their tooth stuff organized. And Design Mom also recommended putting some Band-Aids where they can reach them, which is a good idea. So I just put a bunch there. And baby wipes, you know, in case they have a spill or something. They have it all right there. And then we have our hair care, and they're at the age now where they're not really bothering my hairspray, so we'll see. I may have to move it. We'll see. But we have our hair items here. And then the bottom is our grooming stuff, like the clippers. I cut my husband's and my son's hair, so our clippers. I have a hairdryer, a curling iron, and a flat iron, and then his like toiletry bag there. Now, the mess that I'm getting rid of. This is nice and clean. Sorry, it's dark out here. Trash, mostly packaging. Donate. And some organizing things that I did not need. So, overall, very happy.